drives nation growth. Jai Hind everyone, my today's lecture topic is India-Europe relations. India-Europe shares a long strategic partnership based on democracy, rule of law, trade, technology and sustainable growth. India and Europe has shared a long bilateral trade also. Europe is the key partner for the India, and despite of long-standing disputes, we have shared come together and strongly work on climate change, sustainable growth, and some defense deals also. If we talk about historical background of the relation, it started in 1962 when India and Europe established the bilateral ties, and India is the first country to establish bilateral ties with the Europe. And in 2013, we have started some trade deals with the Europe and started negotiations on a free trade agreements, which is disrupted because of some disagreements on some tariffs or some irregulations on the trade. So if we talk about key areas of the relationship, we are having a economical ties. We are having a trade of 118 billion, and from which 106 billion of India has exported and 82 billion imported from the Europe, which is a total of 12% of the trade, India's trade with the Europe, which shows that EU is the second largest trading partner after US. So there are some recent developments also. We have seen that currently our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has visited France and attended the AI summit, where they cracked some deals like on a small modular reactors, as well as we have seen that India and France defense deals, and the working recent developments on IMEC, India Middle East Europe corridor. So these developments shows the working on India and Europe relations, and there are so many other examples as well. Like we are working on a climate change as well. India Solar Alliance, International Solar Alliance are established by the India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So on the conclusion part, if we talk about, we have started free trade negotiations recently. European College has visited. So it shows that there is a strong build-up has been developed, and we are starting working together. Thank you.